Everyone, today I just received this information from AQUA protocol, which is here. You see, as you see, the information is like almost 2 pages. So I have pointed out the most important things here, and I'm going to explain to you in this video. Today I'm going to show you the step by step. Okay, just stay with me. I'm going to show you the step by step how to do it, what you need to do before you can claim your AQUA protocol. And the one thing they brought here is you have to go and relink your wallet again. Relink your wallet. You have already linked to your wallet, right? So they said you have to go and link it again, and the same wallet you used to mint your normies, do not change that wallet. It is the same wallet you are going to use again. They have talked about it here. Okay, so you need to pay attention very well. I'm going to show you the step by step how to do it. All right. Okay, please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's dive into it. So as you can see here, I just opened my Telegram. I'm looking for my AQUA protocol bot so I can open it. So it is here. The AQUA protocol bot is here. So I'm going to launch it now. All right, AQUA bot, start. You press start. So this is what exactly the bot is going to show you. Before, you used to go direct, but now it has to show you this, and you have to touch connect wallet. Okay, you have to touch connect wallet to connect to your wallet now. And if you touch connect wallet, you have to wait for some seconds. It will take some seconds for you to go. So that's why I told you it is necessary for you to go and do this, because it is very important. Okay, so this is the latest update they posted on their Telegram, so we are waiting. So here it is. Then you touch it. I opened the last one and I minted my normies with my tongue keeper. So I'm going to use tongue keeper here again. You see, here is my tongue keeper. So I touched tongue keeper and it brought me inside my tongue keeper. So I'm going to connect the wallet again. Just the way you used to connect to your wallet before is exactly how you are going to connect to your wallet here too. You see, I have connected my wallet already. You see, so this is what each and everyone need to do now before claiming, because claiming is very near. Claiming is here. Claiming is here. Like I said, see how it looks like inside. From the inside, they have changed it. You see, they have updated it. They have changed everything inside. You see, the only thing that remains is claiming. The only thing that remains for you is claiming, and I will be updating you on that. Please, I will be updating you on that. If you are new to my channel, please, I need you to go and subscribe to my channel now. If you are new, go and subscribe. I will be updating you with stuff like this. This is how the inside looks like. You see, so it is claiming is near. These people are working very hard. They are trying to put smile on our face. I promise you are going to smile, and I really trust this project. Okay, thank you for watching.